everyone, I hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a ponytail. Now, I'll be doing the ponytail once on myself and once on Kirsten here, just to show you how to do it on yourself and on someone else, because believe it or not, your hands are in different positions for either style. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now what you want to do first is make sure your hair is all nice and brushed, because no matter what style you're doing, if your hair is knotty, it can be really annoying to do anything with it. Now what you want to do first is gather all your hair. Just keep pulling it back as smooth as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect while you're still learning, but as long as you just all pull it back. Okay, then you take your hands, grab it, and gather it all. Some people like it lower, some people like it at a medium height, other people like it to be really high, but just for the sake of easiness, we're going to start it pretty low. Now once you have all your hair gathered, just keep pulling it back, refining it as much as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. Now you take your hair tie and put it on top of your wrist, like so. Then whichever hand has the hair tie in it, you grab your ponytail. Then you grab the hair tie off of your wrist and pull it onto the ponytail. Then you pull the ponytail through. Then this part can be a little tricky, but you take the hair tie, sneak your thumb through, so all your fingers should be through, and make a little figure 8 pattern, if you see that right there. Then you open up your hand, grab the ponytail, grab the hair tie, pull it off, and pull your ponytail through. Now, some people with thicker hair only do it once, maybe twice, but with people who have thinner hair, such as myself, I sometimes do 3, maybe even 4. So we're going to do 3 today. What you want to do, stick all your fingers in again, open it up, make the figure 8, grab the ponytail, pull the hair tie off, pull the ponytail through, and there you go. Now if you want to tighten it, then you just separate your hair into 2 sections, pull, and it's all done. Now remember, you can always have your ponytail as messy or as neat as you want. Right now, I relatively know flyaways. But if you ever want it messy, you just you can put it lower on your head, or you can just do as few little figure 8 revolutions as you want. Alright, so when you're putting a ponytail on someone else's hair, the movements are pretty similar. You just gather all the hair, okay, and you want to brush the hair beforehand. Her hair is it's dull hair, it's not the best quality, so I wasn't able to. But beforehand, you do want to brush the hair before. It's just the same thing. You gather all the hair together. Okay? Hold it in place. Put the ponytail on your wrist. Grab it. Okay? Then grab the ponytail from that hand. Pull it off and onto the ponytail. Make the figure 8. Put your fingers through. Grab it again, then pull the hair through. Alright, and then sometimes it'll be too small for you to put all your hands through, so you just put a few fingers, but it's the most helpful when you get your thumb in there. Grab the ponytail again, pull the hair tie off, and pull the hair through, and let go. Then to tighten it, you can just grab the whole ponytail, either side of it, pull until it is tightened. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, maybe a comment, and if you want to see more, maybe even subscribe. I hope you have a lovely day or night ahead of you, and I will see you in the next video.